Everyone. I have a Honda Accord 2005 with the code 420, which is a catalytic converter, and it could be anything in between. However, to make the story short, this was my son car. His catalytic converter, the original Honda Accord, was stolen. So, and they cut even the oxygen sensor, and it was a mess. So anyway, the job was done 2 years ago, or maybe 2.5 years ago. I replaced the catalytic converter. I put new oxygen sensors, upstream, downstreams, and it drove very nice for almost 9 months with no check engine light. So I did replace the cat one more time after code P0420 came up on a screen. This was like more than a year ago. I replaced it one more time. The cat was under warranty, so I did replace it. Got another one. It was not cheap. It was like $350 for that cat. It was aftermarket. However, the car drove another 2-3 months again, and we still got the code again for P0420. I replaced both oxygen sensor again, brand new. I replaced the cat one more time again, and 1 week later the light came back again. The car has 190,000 miles on it, roughly. So to make the story short, everything very much was replaced on this vehicle, and we still have that stubborn code. I updated even the ECU. Still we have that code. So my question to anyone who used these stuff, so I'm assuming it could be possibly there is a carbon buildup on intake valves or the exhaust valve, whatever valves that there is a buildup on. I'm sure the cat is clean. I don't know if the cat itself, the aftermarket, is not that good, which is I heard a lot about those after cats, especially on the Honda. You have to get the original. But however, it did work for a year with no problems, and then again it did work for another like 6-7 months with no problem. But I don't know. So anyway, I'm thinking about using these stuff. So maybe that, even it says CataClean, and most of them they said there is warranty on them. So I just was wondering if anyone used this stuff and it did help. I mean, my explanation to this is very much it cleans any carbon buildup on the valves and the combustion chamber and the cylinder head, anywhere there is valve. And just to make sure you understand that this is everything done in this car. New tune-up, new coils, new spark plugs, you name it, everything is new. But it's still that code very much stubborn. So this is my last thing I'm gonna use before I'm gonna get a brand new cat from the dealer, which is, I don't wanna do that. I heard, it says about $12 to $1,500. That's crazy. So if anyone have used this and it worked, or this one or the other brand, can you recommend? This way I could just try. I'm gonna take 2 of these, and I'm gonna take another third one. They don't have it here. It says even CataClean guarantee, money back guaranteed. I don't have it here, but it's I saw it online. So please, guys, if anyone have used this product before, just to give me your inputs on it. What do you think about it? Did it work for you? And if it did, what code did you have before you use these products? And how long you drove after? Did the car go through the drive cycle? Did you drive 200, 300, 500 miles, whatever? Just let me know. I would like everybody to benefit from this and to see if these products really work. I haven't used them before. I always fix issues, but usual cars with high mileage, you never know what's coming up next in the vehicle. So this is the situation. So again, please, if you have used any of these products, just give me your opinion or your inputs on these, and let me know which one works better. I heard this is very popular. It's also, I see it's sold on Amazon, have high reviews, but still I'm not sure if this is a good product. I'd like to hear it from a real person to tell me if this was working, and let everybody benefit on the information we're gonna receive and the feedback, whether this or something else. That's pretty much it. All right. This is, by the way, 2637, and this one here, almost $20. All right. Thank you for watching.